guys, it's 4:44 a.m. in the morning, and so let me go and eat my breakfast. I'm drinking hot chocolate. Hot chocolate is perfect. Then it's hot chocolate.
Lakini ndani siwezi feel nje. Ndani huwezi feel nje ndio unaonanga. You've done miracle for me. God of miracle.
Tushangilie, maana yote hawezi